No! I'm stuck! Stop! No! Well, welcome to part. Welcome to part 6. So yeah, like I was saying, this is part 6 of the Animal Company update. We've just been playing with this big Minecraft dirt block. Ah! Yeah, I'm watching. Bruh. I just seen under bro's skirt, there's nothing there. I seen under his skirt, there's nothing under there. Oh, shoot. Hey, man. He just stepped on my body. He just stepped on my body and I caught it on camera. I'll save you, Mr. President! Bro just got booted. What the freak? What the freak is bro doing to? What the freak is bro doing to? Hey, Mitter! Hey, buddy. Oh, he died. Ew, I hate that sound. Crossbow. Let's go fight him again. Ow. Yeah, I want to go look under his skirt again. Nothing. Can I get a hug? He didn't like my hug. Yoink. I got a flash grenade. He respawned. I can see that, but he respawned. Ooh, plunger. Ooh, plunger. Oh, dang it. I was trying to do a meme. I need to get that on video. Hold up. Where's he at? Put it on a butt cheek. Flash out. Hey, Mitter. I see you. I just got folded like a pancake, but I see you. Oh, he died. These videos in the series are probably going to be really short because my game is like really buggy and stuff, and it's always like glitchy. So like make a video that's like quote too long, it doesn't let me like extract it from MetaQuest. So this will be oh shit, that's a mimic. I don't want no spider, bro. I don't want no spider. Well, this will be the end of part 6. One. Yes. So, so when me and Monkey Midnight do hit 500 subs, hey, I'm gonna do a thing like the X intro, whatever the freak it's called, real quick. So if you can stop running around, please, thank you. Be sure to sub and hey, stop. We gotta do the thing. We gotta do the thing, Mister. We gotta do the thing that the X. Yes. Stop going places. We need to do the X intro thingamabob. You bastard. Come back in the stump thing. I'm gonna do the thingamabob. The thing. I know. Come back, bro. I'm trying to do the thing. When me and Monkey Midnight hit 500 subs with the deadline of Christmas, he'll do a face reveal on my channel. He'll do a face reveal on my channel. I'll do a face reveal on his. They already know what my face looks like, but your subs don't know what mine looks like. But yeah, hit 500. If me and him hit 500 subs, we're both gonna do a special type of face reveal. So if y'all want that, hit 500 subs to the deadline of Christmas. Yeah.